coronavirus alone sows panic and fear around the world. The financial market couldn't sidestep it. In early March 2020, the world market suffered a crisis amid news about the new coronavirus that is spreading at a rapid pace in all countries and continents. What happened with cryptocurrencies during this time? The crypto market froze as if to open the doors for traders to open positions during the decline. On March the 11th, Bitcoin's price began its decline to the $7,949.73 mark for one Bitcoin. The fall stopped 2 days later on March the 13th at $4,128.19 per coin. That's nearly a 52% drop. Traders have to stay on top of the news to take advantage of this movement and open a position. News can be found on specialist sites such as Being Crypto. News has a medium-term effect on markets, which means even sluggish traders who don't read the news more than once a day can earn a profit. Trading on news is one aspect of basic analysis. Keep up with the news and use it in your trading.